Hello, we are Student ArtCo, a platform that allows schools to fundraise for the art programs by selling the artwork of the students in those programs and for others to support them by purchasing the artwork. Our team is made up of our team lead, 5 web developers, 2 iOS developers, 2 Android developers, and a UI designer. We have built a web client as well as 2 native mobile apps, all connecting to a Node.js backend via a GraphQL API with Firebase for authentication. School art programs are typically underfunded, and research shows that students create their best work when it is more than just an assignment. We provide a place where local communities and beyond can visit to see art created by students and purchase it to support their art programs. Our user research showed there is a desire for a platform like this among schools, with students often doing nothing with their artwork they create in school, and it commonly gets thrown away. Our research also showed that members of local communities want to make donations to school art programs, but often they don't know how. Our platform can solve all of these problems. The web client is a React application with React Router for routing, and the design is created with Material UI components. As someone looking to purchase art, I can find the browse page here and begin to look through the listings, seeing all the information and images about each of the artwork that's listed here on the platform. Selecting a specific listing, I can get more information about it, read about, see what school it's from, again, kind of description, and see also a possible suggested donation for purchasing the artwork. If I'm interested in doing so, I can select down here to open up this form to contact the seller. Filling out this information here, I'm able to reach out to the school and talk to them, begin the discussion about purchasing this artwork to support them. Going back, I can begin to look through other listings and see more and possibly contact other schools about making a purchase. Now I'm going to hand off here things to Alex from our iOS team to go over the buyer experience.
Thank you, Dave. All right, so we are the iOS team, and our app is built in Xcode with Swift programming language. We're going to do this short video, and it's going to walk you through exactly what the buyer is going to see. So as a buyer, you're going to come in, and all of the listings available currently are going to be listed on this gallery. And from there, you're able to filter by category, which just allows for a better user experience. So here we see all of our photography. And when we filter through again, we're going to go ahead and do photography, but add a zip code on top of it so that you can search by specific school as a buyer, just in case you're wanting to support, someone local or a family member in another state. So as you can see, we have pulled up these photos, and now we're going to add them to our cart. And this works similar to the form that Dave showed you. So we're just going to add our name, email, and a message to send to the school, letting them know that we are interested in purchasing this photo. We're going to go ahead and submit our inquiry. And now the school should receive the inquiry, and the buyer should be able to have an email confirmation in their inbox stating that they're interested in the piece. And I think that's about it for iOS. So I think Brandon is next with Android.
Right, thank you, Alex. Let me share my screen real quick. Okay, for the Android side, we coded the app in Flutter using Dart language, which was new to both me and my teammate, Vivek. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and log into the student account. I can view the posting from earlier. Right. And since Dave is interested in it, I can go ahead and mark it as being sold and update it. And I can add a new listing as well. So I can upload a new image. We can choose either from the camera or from the gallery. I'm going to choose one from the gallery and pick the Starry Night. You can set a title for it. The student name. Date for creation. And the price set to $25. The categories can be painting. And for description, right, and then we can add it. Shows up here. We can also edit any of the school information. And we can switch over to the buyer side of the app and view the image from earlier and see that it has actually been marked as sold. Okay. I believe that is all for the Student ArtCo presentation. Thank you for your time.